Lead out. Okay, now we are going to start the class. So no more asking questions. You can take your classwork note and just see how it's written there. Don't get worried. I will call out one by one. Take a new page, write today's date. That is 18/1/8 hyphen 6. That's enough in your margin. Then next to that or just below, Roman number 1. Slowly, neatly write WRITE. Write THE. The numbers NUMBERS. Numbers in words. In words. WORDS in words. That means you have to write the number name. Number name. Now you don't write fast, just wait for others to complete that. Leave one square just below that. First column, as it is shown over here, write H. Second column, T. All this should be in capital letters. T. Third column, O. When you read, you have to read like ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Leave a square. Leave a square. In your margin, write number 1. Today we are going to write one by one. Write number 1. Under H, write 8. Under tens, H is for hundreds, T is for tens. Under tens, 0. Under ones, 8. Don't write all together. I'll just give you 1 second. Those who know, you write. Otherwise, others can write with me. Now you start with 8. You know the spelling. Start with a capital letter. 8. You know the spelling of 100. HUNDRED. 100. 8. Just look. Only E should be in capital letter. Capital E when you start the number name. EIGHT. 8. Leave 1 square for the space there. When you leave space, just leave 1 square. 100. HUNDRED. 100. 8. EIGHT. 8. Now leave a square down. The next square in your margin. Number 2. You have to leave 1 square fully straight. Number 2 in your margin. 8, 1, 5. 815. EIGHT. 8. Don't make mistake when you write 15. It's not 50, it's 15. 815. FIFTEEN. Now itself you make the correction if it's wrong. First one, second one. Now leave a line or leave a square. Number 3 in your margin. 8 below hundreds place. 9 below tens place. 0 below ones place. Just down. How it's shown over here, the same thing should be in your classwork note. Not one second. I'll give you 1 second to write the answer. Others, slowly you can write. Then you can write with me too. Now just see the answer. EIGHT. 8. 100. HUNDRED. 100. 90. NINETY. Now when you write the numbers, you have to write just above that line. You must not touch that line. But when you write the spellings of these numbers, that is numbers in words, you have to write on the line. 808. 815. Some disturbance. Turn off your camera. Manu Chakravarti.
Ma'am, we write this.
Now check 1 minute. Don't disturb. Now you just check this answer. Those who are joining in between, please wait. You don't ask in between because you will get the full class later. 808. 815. 890. Now go to the next page, Roman number 2. Roman number 2 on the first line. W R I T E. W R I T E. Write the numerals or numbers. Number name is given. When I dictate, you can write. Write, leave space, 1 square space. T H E. The T H E. The. You can write any one, numerals or numbers. Those who want to write both, you write. So you won't make any mistake when one is given. N U M E R A L S. Numerals. Or O R. Or numbers. N U M B E R S. Numbers. Now the heading is over. Leave one column. Leave one column. When you leave that column, towards the end, right corner, last three squares you take, and from the last square you write O T H. That's for hundreds, tens, ones. Last column. You left one column. So towards the end of the same line, corner of that same line, last, right, 0, TH, ones, tens, hundreds. Now, in the margin, write number 1. In the margin, write number 1. Only write the first one. Capital E I G H T. 8 E I G H T. 8. 100. HUNDRED. 100. 9. NINE. 9. 800. 9. So you have to write under 100 8. Then nothing in tens place. 809. There is nothing in tens place. Put 0. 809. Ones place 9. There is a chance of making mistake. You may write 89 or something. That's why I've drawn the columns now. So you can write it now and learn it. Now leave your next line or leave a square. In your margin, write number 2. Write number 2. Some children will be writing very fast, but write neatly. Others can join me. EIGHT. 8. See that you start with a capital letter 8. Capital E I G H T. 8. 100. HUNDRED. 100. 16. SIXTEEN. You have 8 in hundreds place, 16 in your tens and ones place together. You'll get 10 plus 6, 16. Each column you have one number. Just observe here. 800, 16. When you read a number, please say fully 816. Don't say 816. 816. I'll just give you 1 second for you to complete the first two. Then take number 3. Take number 3. Write number 3 in your margin. EIGHT. 8. 800. HUNDRED. 100. 800. I know you will write slowly. Don't worry. Write neatly. 860. SIXTY. Now you must be knowing the difference between 16 and 60. Hundreds place you have 8. Tens place and ones place together you have 60. 60. Now just write 860. Now see the difference. If you write 60 for the previous one, that will be wrong. So 16, you must know the spelling clearly. Now check all the numbers from first. 809, 816, 860. Now we'll go to the number, next Roman number. Roman number 3. Listen to me and write slowly. Roman number 3 in your margin. Missing numbers. New page. MISSING. Missing. Numbers. NUMBERS. Missing numbers. Leave 1 square below that and write number 1 in your margin. Number 1 in your margin. Now, in your first column, write the first number 8 together in one column. 829 in one column. Now, don't worry about anything. Leave 1 square. You put a dash with your scale down. When you leave a square there, you just put that comma in that square. 829, leave 1 square, dash, again leave 1 square, dash, leave 1 square, 832, leave the next square, then dash last. First you copy only the first row, leaving 1 square. If you don't put dash also, just leave 1 square and write now. Now, after 829, after 29, you will get 30. Missing numbers always. Add 1 to the previous number. After 29, you will get 30. So write 830. Add one number to that and complete. Only one I told you. 830, 830. Just see, all hundreds number is the same, 8. So from tens number, you change it. Add 1. 29 plus 1, you will get 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 831. 832 is already given. 833. Now, leave a column down, leave a square. Number 2 in the margin. First column in the middle. Don't write on the line. See how it's written 830, previous one. Must not touch that line. Now, second one. Just write in your first column 851, 851. Leave one square, dash. Leave a square after that. 853. 853. 853. 853. Leave a square, dash. No need to leave a square, dash. That means leaving one square. Where you are leaving, where just put off one comma so that later the line, or now you can draw the line for dash. Take your scale. No. Now 850. Add 1 to the previous number, that is 851 plus 852. You can count in your mind so that you will be able to write 853, 854, 855. Just look at those numbers and write the next numbers. 851, 852, 853, 854, 855. When you write these numbers, say in your mind and write. Leave a square. Number 3 in your margin. Copy the first number. 890, 890. Leave a square. 891. Now I'm not going to give you the answer. I'll wait for 1 minute. As I told you, leave a square. Leaving one square, 3 dashes. Leave a square after 891. Put dash. Leave a square. Again one more dash. Leave a square. One more dash. Let me give you 1 minute to write. You just count in your mind and write next number after 891, add 1 to that number, write that number, add 1 to the number, again write the next number. Just check whether it's correct. After 91, 92, 892, 893. See the ones place numbers, hundreds place and tens place is the same. So you just say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes on like that. 893, 894. Just have a look at all the numbers. I know that you must have finished all that. No need to answer. Take a next page. Roman number 4. Roman number 4. Circle the smallest number. C. Roman number 4 should be written in your margin. Then start capital C I R C L E. Circle. T H E. The smallest. S M A L L E S T. Smallest. S M A L L E S T. Smallest. Number. N U M B E R. Smallest number. Now write, leave a square, write letter A in the margin. First number in your first column, 824, 824. Leave a square, 890, 890. 857. I'll take 5 minutes extra today because I have to give you some instructions. So just write this. Third number 857, 815, 815, 805. Check all hundreds place, all 8. Now take tens and ones place, 24. I told you yesterday, just draw a line under 24 with your pencil. Freehand, no problem. 9090, 57. Just underline. 15, 15. 05, that's only 5. Underline that. When you come to school, we'll explain to you clearly. Now, smallest number, the first row. 24, 90, 57, 15, 5. So 805 is the smallest number. Leave a square and write B in your margin. B. Copy these numbers, leaving a square in between. 865, 865, 846, 846. Hope you are forming all the numbers in a proper way. 807. Leave one square. Right. 807. 818. 818. Leave a line. 899. Hundreds place all 8. Now check. First number 65. 46. Keep in your mind. Then 7. 18. 99. Now circle the smallest number. 807. Now don't take a new page. Leave a line. Roman number 4. Every day I'll be giving, circle the biggest number. Wait. Roman number 5 in your margin. Leave a line. Roman number 5. Don't take a new page because you have enough space over there. This is your homework every day. I'll give you circle the biggest number. Just write the heading CIRCLE, circle the biggest, CIRCLE THEBIGGEST, biggest number, NUMBER. Now leave one line. Letter A in your margin. Same numbers are given for, circle the smallest number. So if you want to copy fast, you can copy now or later. Now those who can copy, you can copy the first row numbers. 824, 824, 890, 857, 815. Copy the same numbers. Others, no need to shout. It will be always there. 805. Now leave a line. This is your homework, so I'm not going to give you the answer now. Leave a line. B, 865, 846, 807, 818, 899. Another homework is there, Roman number 6. You have to, okay, I'll just give the answer because it's already done. Now you go to the next one, Roman number 6. Homework. Just write, take a new page. Take a new page now. You do that, circle the biggest number, then you can see the answer later there. Homework. Children, you have to practice writing numbers so that we are giving. Don't tell that your hand is paining. Okay, you can do it. How much of you can write, you can write. Homework. 18/6 to 2020. Date. You just write the date. Just write 20. Next line, write. Write numbers from 801 to 900. W R I T E. Write NUMBERS. Numbers from FROM. From 801 to 900. Now you can leave the classroom, take a short break, and when you come for English class, bring your home study note. Only your home study note when you come for
Thank
your
you, ma'am.
English class. Thank you,
Ma'am,
children.
ma'am, to 702. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now take a break.
Thank you, ma'am.
Get
Can we
ready
leave
for your
the
next
class?
class. Leave your class.
Ma'am, can we leave your class? Thank you, ma'am.